Welcome back to the video, viewers. Do you know that there are many amazing secrets hidden in the world that are hard to believe but are actually true? Today we're going to tell you a few such facts, so let's begin. When a wild animal, especially a monkey, gets sick, its other companions keep a distance from it so the illness doesn't spread to other animals. If you look closely at the Statue of Liberty's toes, the middle toe is longer than the big toe. This is found in only 10% of people in the world, and in ancient times it was considered a sign of beauty. In South Africa, there is a type of honeybee called the Cape honeybee that can reproduce without a male and give birth to young. In every small cell of the Chinese body, there is a natural thermometer. If the temperature of even a single cell rises, it can adjust its own temperature by itself. A tiger shark can travel thousands of miles, even across entire oceans. But to this day, no one knows why it does this. The human brain has two parts. The things a person reads get stored in the left side of the brain, and the events that happen to a person are saved in the right side. You might think that sound is from a frog, but actually it's not just one frog. It's the sound of thousands of frogs making the same sound. Frogs confuse their enemies by making a sound at the same frequency and pitch. So enemies think there's only one frog, but in reality thousands of frogs could be present there. In 876 in Kent, there was a rain of meat for 2 minutes. Yes, instead of rainwater, pieces of meat fell from the sky. Lightning can turn night into day, but did you know that the temperature of lightning is 5 times hotter than the temperature of the sun? Have you ever wondered why bananas are always curved? Why is a banana never straight? Because while a banana is ripening on the tree, it always bends toward the sun. In some areas of China, the police have geese instead of dogs. The geese are let out at night, and if they sense any danger, they make loud noises to signal the police. We all know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, but on top of Mount Everest, water boils at just 72.1 degrees Celsius. This is a 1 terabyte computer hard drive that can store 1 terabyte of data. But did you know that just 1 gram of human DNA can store 1 zettabyte of data? NASA has a team of people whose job is to smell every single thing that goes into space, and likewise everything that comes back from space is also smelled. To grow just half a kilo of almonds, 7,600 liters of water is used. Of all the humans ever born in the world, only 7% are alive today. The remaining 93% have passed away. There is so much gold in the Earth's core that if it were spread across the entire world, it would cover the ground with a layer of gold 1 foot thick. Today the world is running in 2020, but did you know there is a place in the world that is currently in 2013? Yes, in Ethiopia it is currently 2013 because their year has 13 months. Oxford University is considered the best university in the world, but did you know that the front cover of the first printed book from Hotspot had a spelling mistake? Basketball was first played in 1891, but did you know that until 1894 a soccer ball was used on the basketball court? There are 12 months of only snow in Antarctica. Whether it's summer or winter, only snow is found there. But by 2050, snow will disappear in the Arctic during the summer months.